Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Let's dive into a tutorial about the not operator in Python. The not operator is a logical operator in Python that is used to negate the truth value of a boolean expression. It's a unary operator, meaning it operates on a single operand. In simpler terms, it reverses the boolean value of the operand. Here, expression is any valid boolean expression, and the not operator will return the opposite boolean value. Let's walk through a simple example to illustrate the usage of the not operator. In this example, we start with the boolean variable is_sunny set to true. Using the not operator, we create a new variable is_rainy which will have the opposite boolean value of is_sunny. The output of this code would be. The not operator is commonly used in conditional statements and loops to check for the negation of a condition. For instance, in this case, the not operator is employed to check if it's not the weekend, leading to different outcomes based on the boolean value of is_weekend. Understanding the not operator is fundamental for writing clear and concise Python code, especially when dealing with boolean expressions and conditional logic. By leveraging the not operator, you can easily express the opposite of a given condition, enhancing the readability and logic of your code. ChatGPT.